how to apply for Shopify Capital. So what you'll have to do is go ahead, open up Shopify. From there, go to the search bar, search for Capital. Yeah, you can search it, Shopify Capital. Simply go to the Shopify Capital. So once you're in Shopify Capital, in this page, you can see there will be listed different kinds of funding offers. If according to your like product history, your product sales, your rates, your different other things, your history, your traditions, and your rituals. You can see according to your product, there will be like funding offers and you can apply for capital. So if you couldn't see any of them like I do, simply go ahead, select amount. So for example, this. Now press on notify me. So you'll go ahead, fill up that I'm interested in box. Now you can see you will be notified if the offers become available. So wait for some time. When the offer become available, you can come here, check out for the capital, and you can apply for the capital. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.